Hello friends, welcome to the channel of Contemporary Literary Review India. In this video, I will show you how to submit articles online. So this is our website URL www.literaryjournal.in. Go to this website. Now we are on the website of Contemporary Literary Review India. You can see the menus here. Under each menu, there are sub-menus where we have detailed about all the relevant information. For example, under About, this is about the journal, where we have described about the journal and what we do. Likewise, there are sub-menus and other areas. Now, coming to this, how to submit your articles. So, when we say articles, we mean any writing, whether it is a poem, a story, a research paper, or a book review, or any other type of article. On this website, on the right hand side, you will see a button, Make a Submission. Click this button. You will come to this section where we have detailed about the submission preparation checklist. In the first condition, we have detailed about uh, the conditions, like if your paper which you are going to submit is in compliance with our submission guidelines, if your paper is well written and edited, and if you are submitting your research paper, then always include an abstract, keywords, bibliography, and your brief bio in third person along with your recent picture. Regarding recent picture, we say that you should include a recent picture. In many cases, what we find that some writers generally scan their physical photos and they send a scanned image of the original photo. This is not a good idea to have the picture. You can simply take a snap uh, uh, by mobile phone and share with us. In the second condition, we have detailed about the formatting and layout and design of the research paper. Here is the submission guidelines where we have detailed about this. You can click here and go to the relevant section. At the same time, you can download a PDF for ready reference. This is the copyright notification and then privacy policy. So if you are coming to the first time, then you should select this register link. If you have already created your account with us, then you should be using login link. So click this register link. Now we are on the registration form. Here the logic is that you have to create your profile account, that is account, and then upload your material. So the first option is create or connect your ORCID. ORCID is an organization where you can register your research papers, and as soon as you register your paper, you will get a digital identification number that is called digital identifier. This is absolutely free and this is ideally recommended. However, this is not a mandatory condition. Okay, so for example, if you do not have an ORCID, then no issue. You can still go ahead and create an account with us and upload your material. So in the profile section, you have the first option like first name, then you can write your first name. For example, I am writing my name. If you have a middle name, you can write this, and you should write your last name. Then affiliation, for example, if you are teaching, at some university, then you can write that. And I currently am not teaching anywhere, so I am editor-in-chief, chief editor with CLRI. So I have written my affiliation like this. And country, select the country where you are from. For example, I am from India, so I'm selecting India. And then write email ID. So I will be copying my email ID here, or typing the email address. And then I should select one username for myself. For example, I have written admin writer, and then I can go ahead to create some password. For example, I am entering password. Password field is generally hidden so that for security reason, okay. And then you repeat the same password here for confirmation. Then select all these conditions, like whether you have followed all these, and reviewing interest, if you have any, then you can write down, otherwise you can leave it. So please note that this star mark is for mandatory condition. That means you have to fill some information here in this field. So now click register. This way you are actually creating an account with us. Now your next step is make a new submission. So I am going to show you how to make a new submission. Now we have landed to the dashboard of the section of the journal, and here you have to follow these steps: step 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So by going through each step, you have to complete your uploading file. In this section, you have to mention about your article types, okay, like articles, poems, stories, research papers, book review, interview, book length poems, essay, and arts and photography. So you should be careful about while selecting any section. For example, for research papers, you must select research papers. Generally, any critical essay is considered as a research paper. Book review is very much clear about book review, story, poems, likewise. Articles are generally those type of writings which are not research papers, okay. So I am going to submit research paper, so have selected this. Now again, once again, this is the submission requirements. So here we have declared what are the conditions, so must select that. Unless you select, you cannot go ahead. Now these comments for the editor section, you can write some information to the editor if you have. If you do not have any information, then you can type NA for not applicable. Corresponding, if you are directly going to correspond with the editor, then yes, right. So that the editor or any staff member can contact me via email. So select these options as well and save, continue. Now I'm moving ahead to the second step. Here, this is the upload section. Now there are three options. So I will go and select for write article component. Okay. In this section, you will see there are several options. Now, in this section, you have to select article text only, because you are going to upload text material like Word document or any other types of valid document format, not a research instrument, research materials, research result, all these things, because these are generally used for other purposes, other type of documents. And then upload the document here. So it is better that you can you can do in two different ways. You can drag and drop here. Either you can click the upload file and then select a relevant file. This way I have uploaded the file. Click continue. here it is written means that this is for confirmation, because review details, under review details means you have your username is appearing here and what you have uploaded. So if there is any need, like you have made a mistake, then you can correct by clicking this edit button. If it is okay, then click continue. It's moving to the next section, and here you can upload another file if you have. For example, I want to upload other types of files. For example, I am going to upload here. I'm going to upload my bio and my picture. So I will include both of them. So if you are uploading a revision, means here it is confirming that if you are actually changing the file or you are adding a new file. So I am going to adding a new file. So I will say this is not a revision of a existing file. Okay, because if I select this option, then the latest file that you are uploading will replace the older one. This means the older one will be deleted. So I have selected yes, this is not a revision, this is a new file, and then we'll say that once again I will select article text because I am going to select this file. So here I will go to my folder section and will select my bio. Okay, so I have selected this bio and it's moving ahead. So uploaded, click continue. Once again, this is for confirmation that I have uploaded this. Okay, this is okay. So I will continue, click continue. Another thing is that I want to upload my image. So we'll obviously, again, once again, this is not a revision of the existing, this is a new file. Now, remember that in earlier options, in two different options, we selected article text because that was article text. Okay. Now, this is not article, this is uh, image file. So I will select this way and we'll go ahead, and when uploaded, click submit. Now, if there is anything that I want to write, this information is generally for copyright. So if you have borrowed or taken downloaded some images from other sources, then you have to mention those sources here. Okay, so that there is no violation of copyright, and make sure that you hold the copyright. But right now this is my personal image, so I am going to click continue. So this is complete now. See this. So I have, in the first attempt I have uploaded the original document, and then in the second attempt I uploaded bio and then my image. This means that in single submission I have uploaded all the relevant documents that I want to submit. This is the good way you have to proceed. Now save and continue. So submission upload is done. Now I have to mention the metadata of the article that I am going to submit. So for that, I'm opening my file so that I can enter this information here in title. You can see in title is marked as mandatory field. So you have to enter some information here. And prefix, in prefix, if you have D or A or something like that, then you can mention those information, those prefixes here. But in the current example, I do not have any prefixes, so I will go on writing title only. If there is any subtitle, then I can mention that. Abstract, for research article is important that you should be including abstract here. So I have already prepared my abstract, must write this abstract here. In case you are submitting a poem or a story or book review where you do not need actually any abstract, then you should better write uh, a poem. Just this is, I'm showing you an example, a poem by Khurshid Alam. Okay, either you can mention the title of the poem. For example, if I'm writing the sunrise, a poem by Khurshid Alam, you can mention this only. If you are submitting a poem, a story where you do not actually have any abstract or you do not need at all, but in research paper you have to mention abstract, so I have mentioned here. Now list of contributor, if this my name and email ID is appearing. Okay, so for example, in case you have multiple writers, like more than one writer, then you have to mention all those writers here by adding contributors here. So you have to click add contributor and then include the details of those writers. In additional refinement keywords, you have to mention all the relevant keywords. I'm showing here how to write and how to um, write keywords in this section. So once you write your keyword, press the comma button and this will be added here. Likewise, I am copying another keyword and then adding here and then pressing comma. Then once again, canon of history verse, this is another term, and then pressing comma. Charles Olson, then I'm typing here and then pressing comma, and then Edward Sanders and then comma. Now, so I have added all the relevant keywords. So click save and continue. Now I'm moving ahead to the confirmation section, finish submission. So if everything is correct, then I must finish this. So this is confirmation once again and click OK. Then it's going ahead and completed. Now I have these three options: review this submission, create a new submission, return to your dashboard. I would like to see my submission. Then I have clicked return to some dashboard. Here on this dashboard I can see my submissions. So if I have submitted 1 or 2 or any number of submission, then this submission will be listed here. This is the article number which is automatically generated in our system, and these are two different tabs. My queue means that this is at in submission stage, and as the submission will be picked up and its status will change, this will be reflected here. Under archive means once it is approved or submitted or rejected, whatever, so this submission will come to this section. So currently I can see that okay, my submission is okay. You can also open this in details and can see the details of your submission, what you have submitted, like your materials and comment. The beautiful thing here is that you can directly communicate to the editor via this system. Once you log in, you can write any information here directly to the editor if there is anything. Review means if your article will be selected or put under review, then this your submission will come under this tab. Copy editing, production, and once it is approved or published, then the submission will be shown under this tab. So for now, it's more than enough, I believe. And thank you for watching this video.